Hey friends, today I'm going to be talking about a really important topic. I'm going to tell you how I connected up this vent-free heater for the greenhouse. It's not something that you should take on yourself unless you really know what you're doing. You could kill yourself. That's no joke, that's no exaggeration. Vent-free heaters like this are great. They're easy to set up, they're easy to establish some nice heat. We're using it here in the greenhouse. Now when I first set it up, I wasn't too sure. I thought that I had enough air infiltration for the makeup air for this heater. And that wasn't the case. I needed some more openings. So I fixed that. I now use the opening where the fan is for our cooling system. That allows air to come into the greenhouse. And I also use the top of the door at the other end of the greenhouse. You know, the number one recommendation that I have for anybody who's thinking about using a propane-fired heater in a greenhouse, or any place else for that matter, is to get it professionally installed. Once upon a time, I had propane certification. I don't have it anymore. I've never been an HVAC guy, so I don't know everything there is to know about makeup air and combustion and all those things. But I do know the basics of what's required. So, number one, you have to have enough air coming into the space. The code says that this is a confined space. That means that there's not enough volume in the room, in this case in the greenhouse, to support the combustion. That requires access to the outside. Now, access to the outside means to unconstrained, unconfined access to the outside world. The second thing is, if you're going to have a vent-free propane heater inside, anywhere, have a carbon monoxide detector that works and is installed correctly. Carbon monoxide is colorless, it's odorless, and it kills you. You don't want to have that as a problem. Your family doesn't want that as a problem. So do yourself a favor. Seriously consider having a licensed professional do the installation. The third thing is you need enough propane tank size to support that heater. It turns out that a 7-gallon propane tank isn't quite big enough to support that 30,000 BTU heater that we're using. The ideal tank is a 100-pound tank. That's about 20 gallons, more or less. That will support that propane heater just fine. So, how's it been working? Well, apart from the one time that we had temperatures go below 15 degrees, it's keeping everything alive. Irene's been doing a whole series of videos about planting up plants out here in the greenhouse. Everything's looking great. The tomatoes are happy. The lettuce and the cabbage are definitely happy. The Swiss chard needs to be harvested. We're going to eat some tonight, I think. The bok choy has been fabulous. We had it in an Asian dish the other night. So, things are going well. Now, the only thing that's not going well in here is my Dutch buckets. The Dutch buckets were primarily for tomatoes. They got killed by the low temperatures. So I've turned off the system for now. I'll restart it probably in February, probably late February, when the temperatures will be a little bit warmer. In the meantime, we're going to continue growing our tomatoes in soil. We're going to grow all manner of brassica vegetables, which are just doing fabulously well. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this craziness that we're doing here on our homestead. And don't forget to hit the bell for notification. That tells you when we've uploaded new content. Thanks for watching, friends.